That hit my toe. My toe hurts now. What the fuck? This isn't all the way dry. I'll take this one instead. Oh, true. I was doing on nipple, and then I just kind of got over it. So I wasn't doing directly on nipple. I have these I was using nipple shields. Amazing. And then I just kind of got over it because I couldn't see how much milk he was getting, and he chugs, so I had to get him preemie nipples to use, and I just like seeing how much he's getting. So no, I'm just pumping and bottle feeding, which is doing a lot better. Girl, I give you props for doing that for a whole year, because I got over it in like a week. Nipple feeding, I was like, fuck no, not for me. Wasn't for me. Thank you. Yeah, so I exclusively pump, which has been doing really good. I really like these Mom Cozy pumps. I'm gonna give me new ones. Yeah, cleaning bottles is a lot. I try to keep up with it really good though. Like every time I'm pumping, I'm over here doing all of this. These are all ones too, yeah. It's understandable though. All the bottle parts, it's kind of annoying cleaning them. Still need to dry. I'll worry about that in a little bit. I'm just gonna go check on him. He's past 8. He's so cute. I can't believe he's already gonna be a month old in 4 days. I'm like, holy shit. I feel like I just gave birth. It's wild. Maybe I'm gonna check. This one will start fucking spilling out. Oh. What?
I'm going to baby.
Okay, well don't touch him though. He's still sleeping. Don't wake him up. What? Well, don't wake him up more. He might fall back asleep. I don't want to have to deal with him. gonna figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. I've been eating so much chicken because that's the highest in protein. Yesterday we had tacos. I made ground beef tacos. So I don't want to get tired of chicken, but I'm gonna make chicken tonight. I swear all we eat is ground beef, beef in general, or chicken. I'm trying not to eat pork anymore because it's just gross. Gross. He's so cute. His diaper's full. Thank you. Where is it? Let me. I need to get my eyebrows done so bad. My eyelash is like falling off. We are not doing an outfit check. Can you tell I'm pumping?